With the development of digital dentistry, more clinics and dentists now are in need of integrated solutions, from 3D scanning to computer-aided design to 3D printing. Shining 3D's AccuFab-L4D, built for digital dental diagnosis and treatment, helps customers efficiently achieve chairside digitization. Doctors will use intraoral scanners to acquire true color digital impressions. With Shining 3D self-developed software, the scan data can be directly edited and printed to allow a chairside all-in-one process, further improving the efficiency of doctor-patient communication and digital diagnosis and treatment. AccuFab-L4D also supports the collaboration between doctors and technicians to carry out efficient dental work. Doctors can upload the scan data to the Shining 3D cloud for technicians to download and perform CAD designing and printing. AccuFab-L4D comes with many user-friendly features. From software nesting and slicing to hardware operation and maintenance, allows a simple and easy printing experience. The AccuFab-L4D 4K high-resolution large-scale 3D printer, combined with Shining 3D self-developed patented technologies, allows precise, efficient, and detailed prints. With the addition of Shining Dent Resin Portfolio and L4D's Open System feature, Shining 3D provides a complete and cost-effective 3D printing solution to dental users, making possible various applications like working models, temporaries, and full dentures. The L4D adds more force to the digital dental restoration workflow. It helps achieve a one-time diagnosis and treatment, optimizing the process and improving patients' clinical experience. Digital technology delivers you beauty. Go digital with Shining 3D.